Offering private affiliate programs with invitation-only access is a great way to control who promotes your product and build exclusive partnerships. But how do you set it up? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to offer private affiliate programs with invitation-only access, step by step, so you can start working with only the best affiliates. First off, you need to choose the right platform. Not all affiliate software can handle private invite-only programs. I've tested a lot of popular tools, and I'll be sharing the one I recommend in the description below. And the best part? You can get an exclusive free trial for this software just for being here, which is something you won't find anywhere else. Next, set up a private affiliate program within the software. Once you've got the right tool, it's time to create the program itself. You'll want to make sure that the registration page is set to invite only. This ensures that affiliates cannot simply sign up. They need your personal invite first. After that, customize your invitation process. You can handpick affiliates based on their audience, content style, or expertise. This is where you have control. You get to decide who's a good fit for your brand and who isn't. Send out personalized email invites or messages with a unique link for them to join. But how do you track who's been invited and accepted? Many affiliate programs come with built-in tracking. When your invited affiliates sign up, they're automatically tagged in the system so you can monitor their performance and make sure everything runs smoothly. As you start growing your program, make sure you set clear guidelines for your private affiliates. You want to outline things like commission structures, promotional rules, and any specific content guidelines you expect. This helps keep things professional and ensures affiliates are aligned with your goals. Another key step is managing communication. Since this is a private program, you'll want a streamlined way to communicate with affiliates. Some software has internal messaging systems, but you can also set up regular updates through email, Slack, or even webinars to keep them informed and motivated. One major advantage of private affiliate programs is the exclusivity. Affiliates feel special because they're part of a select group. This can often lead to higher engagement and better results because these affiliates are more invested in your success. They're not just another name on a list, they're part of your inner circle. Finally, make sure to incentivize your affiliates. With private programs, you can offer higher commissions or bonuses for reaching milestones. Because they've been invited into a select group, they'll be more likely to work harder and generate quality sales for you. So, what's the key takeaway here? If you want to offer a private affiliate program with invitation-only access, the process is all about selecting the right software, setting up exclusive access, managing your communication, and incentivizing your affiliates to go the extra mile. Now, a quick revision. Start with the right software that supports invite-only programs, choose affiliates carefully, track their performance, communicate effectively, and incentivize them for better results. And before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial for the software we've been talking about in the description below. Trust me, it's going to make setting up your private affiliate program much easier. Thanks for watching.